Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 8. Subject Mathematics. Chapter name Simple Simultaneous Equations. Exercise 6.1, Lecture 2. Today's lesson: Method of solution of simple simultaneous equations of two variables and solve the equations. Method of solution of simple simultaneous equations of two variables. In my previous lecture, I had explained method of substitution. Today, I will explain method of elimination. Applying by this method, we can solve the equations by following the steps below. A number: multiply both the equations by two such numbers separately, so that the coefficients of one variable become equal. As per example, the given equations are x plus y equal to 4y equal to 14, and another equation 7x minus 3y this equal to 5. We have to vanish any variable, either x or y. If we will want to vanish y, we have to multiply first equation by the coefficient of y of second equation, and second equation by the coefficient of y of first equation. That's mean we have to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. As a result, the coefficient of y will be equal. That's mean equal. Now follow. Equation 1 will be 3x plus 12y this equal to 42, and equation 2 became 28x, that's mean multiply by 4, minus 12y equal to 20. Clear? B number: if the coefficients of a variable are of the same or opposite sign, subtract or add the equations. The equation after subtraction or addition will be reduced to an equation of one variable. Now follow. As the coefficient of y are same and the sign of first equation here plus and here minus, so we have to add. That's mean by adding, because plus 12 and minus 12 will be cut. Okay, so remaining here 28x plus 3x this equal to 31x, and here will be 62. So first condition here, same or opposite. As opposite, so we have to add. If same, we have to subtract. Okay, first part addition or subtraction, and second part will be reduced to an equation of one variable. Now the equation 31x equal to 62. This is the equation of one variable. Clear? Now calculate. We'll get x is equal to 2. Clear? And find the value of a variable by the method of solution of simple equation. Okay. D number: put the obtained value of the variable in any one of the given equations and find the value of the other variable. As we have got x is equal to 2, so putting the value of x in 1 or 2. Here we put in equation 1, we get x was x plus 4y. As x is equal to 2, so we can write 2 plus 4y this equal to 14, or 4y this equal to 14 minus 2. Therefore y is equal to will be 3. Clear? This is a step for solving the equations by the method of elimination. Clear everyone? Now follow the solution properly. Okay. Problem, solve the equations x plus 4y this equal to 14 and 7x minus 3y this equal to 5. The given equations are x plus 4y this equal to 14, 7x minus 3y this equal to 5. As the coefficient of y of first equation is 4 and the coefficient of y of second equation at 3, so we have to multiply 1 by 3 and 2 by 4. Okay, so 3x plus 12y this equal to 42 and 28x minus 12y this equal to 20. Now by adding 31x is equal to 62, or x is equal to 62 by 31, therefore x is equal to 2. Now putting the value of x in the equation 1, we get 2 plus 4y this equal to 14, because one number equation x plus 4y, as x is equal to 2, so here will be 2 plus 4y this equal to 14, or 4y this equal to 14 minus 2, or 4y equal to 12, or y equal to 12 by 4, therefore y is equal to 3. Therefore the required solution is xy this equal to 2, 3. This is the required answer. Okay. Verification, if need you have to verify. Okay, putting x equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, because x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 in both of the equations. Therefore left hand side of 1 is 2 plus 4 into 3 equal to 2 plus 12 equal to 14. This is equal to right hand side, and left hand side of 2 is 7 into 2, as there was 7x minus 3y, so 7 into 2 minus 3 into 3, this equal to 14 minus 9, this equal to 5, this equal to right hand side, hence verified. Problem 23, solve the equations like as fraction. Okay, x by a plus y by b this equal to 2 by a plus 1 by b. Here x by b minus y by a this equal to 2 by b minus 1 by a. Solution, the given equations are this equation number 1 and this equation number 2. Now follow, as here is plus and here is minus, so target to vanish y. You can vanish x, no problem. Okay, so here coefficient of y this equal to 1 divided by b, and here coefficient of y this equal to 1 divided by a. This equal to we can write, or this equal to we can write 1 by b into y, or 1 by a into y. So coefficient of y this equal to 1 by b, and coefficient of second equation of y this equal to 1 by a. So multiply the equation 1 by a and multiply the second equation by 1 by b. Clear everyone? Yes, now follow. Now multiply the equation 1 by a and the equation 2 by 1 by b. We get here will be 1 divided by a into a, mean a square plus 1 divided by b into b means ab. Here 2 by a square plus here 1 divided by ab. Similarly, this will be as multiply 1 by b, so here will be x by b square minus y by ab. This equal to 2 by b square minus 1 by ab. Now as here is plus and here is minus, so we have to add. Clear? So this and this cut here, this and this cut, will get x by a square plus x by b square, and here 2 by a square plus 2 by b square, that is this. Clear? Okay, now take common. X is common, so here will be 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, and here 2 common, so 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. As this part and this part are same, so divide on both sides by 1 divided by a square plus 1 divided by b square, will get x is equal to 2. Dividing on both sides by this. Clear? Now putting the value of x in equation 1 or 2, no problem. Equation 1, x by a plus y by b, as x is equal to 2, so here will be 2. At right side 2 by a plus 1 by b. Now calculate this. Here this equal to 2 by a minus 2 by b plus 1 by b, and this part same. Okay, y by b. Just I have convert this into right side, as here is 2 by a, so this part will be minus 2 by a plus 1 by b. You can take this into left side, no problem. Okay, so this cut, here will be 1 by b, right side will be y by b. Both side b cut, therefore y is equal to 1. Okay, as this and this are same, so you can write this into left side or right side, no problem. This part clear? Therefore the required solution is xy is equal to 2, 1. This is the required answer. Problem 26, solve the equations x plus y equal to a minus b and x minus by this equal to a square plus b square. The given equations are x plus y this equal to a minus b, 1 number equation, and x minus b this equal to a square plus b square. This is equation number 2. Now multiplying 1 by b, because the coefficient of y of second equation this equal to b, so we have to multiply 1 by b, and the coefficient of first equation of y this equal to 1, so multiplying 2 by 1. Okay, and 1 by b, will get bx plus by this equal to ab minus b square, and 2 number equation will be same because we have to multiply 1, so here will be ax minus by this equal to a square plus b square. Now adding this and this cut, bx plus ax equal to b square cut ab plus a square. Here common x, so will be b plus a, here a common, so here will be b plus a into a. You can use here or implies, or both side this and this same, so we have to divide both side by b plus a. As a result, x is equal to a. Clear? Now putting the value of x in 1 or 2. 1 number equation, x plus y, as x is equal to a, so here will be a plus y equal to a minus b. Therefore y is equal to a minus b minus a, that's when minus a cut. Therefore y is equal to minus b. Therefore the required solution x is equal to a minus b. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? Others map, that's mean left map, especially 13 up to 26, you can easily solve by the method of elimination. Okay, just you have to give time, and any one of you will face problem, you can share with me. Okay, so homework will be 13 up to 26, left all and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 26/7/2020. Okay, time 9 p.m. Today up to this. Thank you. Goodbye everyone.